Welcome to the Top 10 Fastest Motorcycles in the World 2025 edition. Number 10. Honda CBR 100R RHR Fireblade SP, 299 km per hour. Honda's finest track weapon, refined, vicious, and razor sharp. Number 9. Aprilia RSV 4 Factory, 300 km per hour. Italian aggression with Motog tech, sleek, angry, and screaming V4. Number 8. Kawasaki ZX14R, 300 plus km per hour. The muscle bike from Kawasaki, a straight-line monster. Number 7. Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3, 310 plus km per hour. The legend lives on, still breaking speed limits and necks. Number 6. BMW M1000RR, 315 plus km per hour. German precision, carbon wings, and race-level performance. Number 5. Ducati Superleggera V4, 320 km per hour. Featherweight Fury, insane. Fast and street legal, barely. Number 4. Lightning L's -218, 350 km per hour. The fastest electric motorcycle on Earth. Silent, deadly, and with instant torque. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, 400 km per hour. Supercharged insanity. Built for the track, banned from the street. Number 2. MTT 420RR Turbine, 440 km per hour. A jet engine on 2 wheels. Yes, it's real. Number 1. Dodge Tomahawk V10, 563 km per hour. Theoretical top speed, 8.3 LV10 from a Dodge Viper. It's basically a car disguised as a motorcycle. So which one would you ride if your nerves could handle it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and gear up for more high-octane content.